Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is gonna be a guest bedroom makeover. And you're probably thinking to yourself, I could have sworn I've seen a guest bedroom makeover on this girl's channel. You're correct. We are actually gonna be revamping the guest bedroom. We have a mattress, finally. If you've been keeping up with the channel, we've been waiting on that. You guys, this guest bedroom has been a workout room and a guest bedroom. And now it is officially going to be strictly guest bedroom. We're taking out the workout equipment. We're completely rearranging. I've got new furniture pieces, like a bunch of things are happening in today's video. It's gonna be a good room makeover, room tour. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you wanna hang out with me today, see how we update our guest bedroom, transform it, because we have friends coming into town soon. So I'm on a time crunch. I gotta get this done. If that sounds good, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so I wanted to show you some before shots of what the guest bedroom is looking like. It was a workout room at first. Then we decided to convert it into a workout room / guest bedroom. Then I took those chairs out of the guest bedroom, put them in the sunroom. So now it's kind of just, it's a room that constantly fluctuates and changes. And I'm ready to kind of like cement it and make it a permanent guest bedroom. So that's what we're gonna do today. And this is what really inspired me, these nightstands. I thought they were gorgeous. I found them at a thrift store, but luckily I was able to find a second one online. Someone had just decided they didn't want this for whatever reason. I think it's gorgeous. So yeah, this is what the guest bedroom is looking like after I have kind of rearranged a little bit to sort of visualize how the nightstands could look up against the wall. So this dresser has been in our garage. It has just been like holding storage. I don't want to get rid of it, but I really didn't have a spot for it. So I was thinking maybe it could work in here. You're gonna see in this video that so much has changed from the beginning of us trying to set up this room to what it currently looks like now. It has just been a journey to get here. So we're deciding on whether we want the dresser here in this space. It fits perfectly up against that wall. So I was kind of thinking, okay, maybe we could put the nightstand up against the wall with the window, and then we're able to see the dresser and we could put the TV on top. Guys, I really didn't know. This was a journey. I was experimenting with different placement. Shout out to Rob. He really helped me make this guest bedroom come to life. I originally wanted this space to be a workout room and guest bedroom combined because we were doing a lot of workouts at home. I was doing Pilates at home, even some strength training in there as well. And I was sort of confined to the front of the room, which wasn't a big deal because the workouts that I was doing was literally like leg lifts and like, you know, like little Pilates moves. It didn't require me to have a huge room to do what I needed to do. But now I've been going to Pilates at an actual studio. I've been doing Legree, I've been doing Reformer, mat Pilates, all the things, and I love it. So I pay a membership to go to this studio. So there's really no point of me having a workout space currently right now in my life in this guest bedroom. So I really wanted to make this dresser that we had in our garage work for this space. So I tried it up against like different areas. I tried hanging wall art, and by me, I really mean Rob. I had Rob hang different wall art to really make it work, but I had to be real with myself and tell myself, you know what? I don't love the way that this is looking. I would much rather turn the bed up against that wall, take down all the workout equipment, put the workout equipment in the garage for now. And I think it just makes way more sense than trying to force this to be a combined workout guest bedroom. I love how everything is turning out. We added decor, we added mirrors, we added all the things. Like, it's looking so good. And now it's just time to add a mattress, which brings me to today's sponsor, Novilla. You guys, Novilla sent over one of their mattresses and I love it. The name of this exact mattress is the Buoyant Hybrid Mattress, and it comes in twin, full, queen, and king sizes. I love how breathable this mattress is. You'll see when it is fully expanded just how plush this mattress is. I would say it's definitely a medium firmness. It's not too soft. It's not too firm. It has a memory foam top, which is really nice. It really contours to your body, and plus it's at an affordable price. You can check out this exact mattress and many others on their website. They have so many 5-star reviews for good reason, because this mattress is so comfortable and very, very affordable. I thought it was really cool to unroll it and then see it really take shape. So when we unrolled it, we actually unrolled it upside down, so we had to flip it over. But I think this is going to be perfect for our guests. It's definitely going to give our guests a great night's sleep. It's very cooling. I actually have a coupon that you can use. It is Cara15. It can give you 15% off your order. Definitely check it out. Everything will be linked in the description box. If you are in need of a new mattress, Novilla is definitely where you want to go. I cannot wait to put the bedding on this next and dress it all up. I already know it's going to look even more plush. So thank you again to Novilla for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to check them out. Everything will be linked down in the description box. Okay guys, so I wanted to give you a quick little update of what the room is looking like. I'm really, really happy with this. I think it makes so much more sense to have the bed on this wall as opposed to in front of the window over here. And okay, so we have our mattress set up. We have our pillows already there, but now it is time to make the bed feel cozy and just put the bedding on and really make it feel complete. So I wanted to show you everything that we purchased. We had this comforter on it before, but I kind of wanted to add a little bit more color. You know, I've been in my color era. So instead of the gray, because the gray really matches the bed anyway, so I wanted something to like pop and stand out. I have this comforter. It's a comforter set, and it basically comes with the comforter and 2 shams. So I think this is gonna look really, really nice. I love this color. It's kind of like not a sage green, like a teal green, kind of like a light wash. I don't know. I guess on camera it kind of looks gray, but it's definitely teal. It's definitely a color. And I thought to go along with the comforter, these sheets would look really, really nice. They're white with some blue, I guess like pattern design. I really, really like these, and I think it's gonna look nice together. I've been loving decorating with the color blue and mixing patterns. Like I really feel like my style is starting to evolve, and this is just a great representation of like what I've been into lately. So I just wanted to add that in this room as well. And then I have these 2 pillows, which I've had for a while. They're a home goods find. And then I also picked up this lumbar pillow. In our bedroom upstairs, we have a lumbar pillow as well, and I just like the way that it looks. It kind of completes like the pillows, like having them stacked up. This kind of gives an end point to where the pillows are just like finished, and it looks more put together. And I also got this one. I wasn't sure how this was going to look together because I ordered all this for pickup, so I wasn't sure. So we have this one. Now this is more of like a sage green, I would say. I kind of like them both. I might use them both, I'm not sure. And then we have this beautiful knit blanket. I'm planning on just kind of draping this over top to make it look even more fluffy and plush. Even though the mattress itself, like you guys, like it's plush, it's really, really nice by itself. So adding the bedding on top is just gonna give it another layer of plushness. So I'm really excited. Let's start putting this together, and I think it's really gonna come together nicely.
It's the best box ever.
Okay, we've got a package in the mail.
Go!
And this is going into our guest bedroom. So let's open it up and see what's inside.
Oh yeah!
Yay! Okay, so clearly we got this olive green, sort of like ottoman seat bench thing, and I really, really like it. I think it looks great in the space. Again, I just said I'm in my colorful era. I'm trying to incorporate more patterns, more color, like mix match. I just really like that. It just calls to me. Something about it calls to me. So I'm just putting together the bedding, and because we turned the bed up against this wall, like I said, the dresser really it just didn't fit the space. So I decided to have Rob take it back out to the garage. Rob has been such a good sport throughout this entire thing, and I purchased a new dresser. So I really, really like this. I think the dresser on the opposite side with a TV above it, it just makes more sense. We're completing the space. We're turning it into an actual guest bedroom. So of course, a bedroom needs a dresser. It needs cute bedding like what you see here and a good dresser, and it is all really coming together together. Once Rob is complete with this, I'm just gonna add the final touches and show you all the final reveal of our guest bedroom. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, I am so excited to share the reveal of our guest bedroom. I think it turned out so great. It looks warm and cozy and so inviting. And if you are ready to see this wonderful guest bedroom, let's get a countdown going in 3, 2, 1. Oh, guys, I am so proud of this space. I think it looks so much better than what we had going on before. I will say there's probably going to be 2 more changes that we're going to make to this space that I just didn't have time to do. Like I said in the beginning, kind of pressed for time. So I didn't have, forever to get this entire room done, but there's always a future home update. So look forward to that. Over on this side, I guess we'll kind of start over here. We still have one of the mirrors up from when this room was a workout room. We've got one lone mirror still hanging up. And I think it's nice because obviously like you want a full length mirror, you want to be able to check your outfit, and it just is a necessity, especially in a bedroom. We have a basket of blankets down there. And then this dresser, I actually got on sale for a really good deal. I love it. I love this chevron detail on the side, which I never thought I would say. Usually I'm not the biggest fan of chevron, but there's something about this that reminds me of wooden floors, like the details of the, I guess patchwork. I don't know. I really love this pattern. I think it's beautiful. I think it complements this space. And then I just have a few decor pieces on top of the dresser, nothing crazy. What I want to do in the future is get a bigger TV. I'm sure you can see that this TV definitely doesn't fit the dresser. We had this TV for a long time and it was fine when it was a workout room because it fit this other back wall. But here, it definitely needs a bigger TV. So in the future, we are getting a bigger one. I'm going to have Rob mount it up on the wall so it'll kind of be in line with this mirror. So just picture a bigger TV mounted on the wall, and I'll probably have to move these stems because I don't want it to block, obviously, the TV. But for now, the stems look really nice next to this. I just have like a marble, catch-all little container, and then a tray over here as well. I've got a mini trash can, and then this same tree that we've had for a very long time. I'll try to link everything down below as much as I can, especially the curtains, because I always get asked about these curtains. We decided to put the bench under the window. Again, you guys, I just feel like this makes so much more sense in this space to free up this window so we're able to get as much sunlight as possible. Have a little bench over here if they need to sit down, or maybe prop up a book bag or something to unpack, I think would be nice as well. Then coming over to this side of the room where the bed is, we have our infamous nightstand that started it all from the thrift store, which I was able to find online. So I got one for I think with $100, and then the other one was $500. So I'm glad for 2 of them. It wasn't too expensive, which is always a plus. I have these lamps over here, which have a really nice pattern design, kind of a landscaping design. You guys know I'm in my blue era, so a lot of the blue bedding over here complements the wall art, complements the lamps. Everything just kind of ties back in. I ended up using, hold on, let me fix, some of these pillows are a little lopsided. Okay, I ended up using all of the bedding that I purchased. Remember, I told you I was kind of on the fence if I was going to use it all. I used it all, and I love how it looks. Everything is layered. We've got a fitted sheet, a sheet right here, a blanket, a comforter, a knit blanket. We've got a lot of layers on here and a lot of different pillows. I just feel like it makes the bed look so cozy and so plush. I decided to add a mirror behind each nightstand. In hindsight, I think I would have gone with something a little bit taller maybe. I like it, but I feel like the dimensions, it could be a little bit wider and a little bit taller, but unfortunately, beggars can't be choosers. You can't find your exact size all of the time. I just have faux plants over there with a candle. And then on this nightstand, we have the same pretty much setup, but just a tissue box and some more stems. bedrooms. Our last wall over here, we have a piece of wall art that I've had for a very, very long time. And then this seating stool bench situation. I love the color. It's technically an olive green, but I just love how dark it is. And I feel as though it really ties in with the colors of this room. I love it. I feel like it looks so cozy. This is exactly the look that I was going for. And I think our friends and family who come to visit, they're really gonna enjoy this space as well. But again, I said there's gonna be a couple of changes. So I'm thinking of mounting the TV and possibly painting the walls. I feel like this space could use a different color. I don't know, we'll see. I was thinking something a little bit darker, not dark, not too dark, but something a little bit more like taupey, moody, I think would be really fun to do in here. I've been wanting to paint a room for a really long time. I've kind of got like an itch to like paint, add color. So we'll see if I end up doing that in here. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. And of course we have our fan up here. One last thing, our fan that's been there because in the South, it gets really hot. So I really hope you all enjoyed today's video, the guest room makeover. This is kind of a last overview of the room. I absolutely love it. I'm so proud of it. You have to let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to check out Novilla if you want a super comfortable mattress. Everything will be linked down below. And yeah, you guys, me and the guest bedroom, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.